What's email marketing? How many types of email are there? Which email should you learn as a copywriter? And do all email writing follow the same structure? You have a question and I have an answer. So keep watching. What type of email should you start with when you're just beginning copywriting? And which type of email is easiest to learn? And which type of email do client actually want? And is email marketing dead? Let me clear this from the start. Even though email marketing has become competitive, and some people, whether they try to get clients and get result for their clients, find it passe, but it's still one of the most affordable and powerful way for businesses to reach clients. And study shows still most of the adult use email regularly, which means it continues to be a strong channel for driving sales. So what does this mean for you? It means there's a huge opportunity for you as a copywriter to specialize in email marketing and helping brand write high converting emails that generate sales. So in today's video, I will break down the types of email you need to know as a copywriter. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ifsa. I received a request about email marketing a while ago. If you are one of those people wondering what email marketing actually is, so this video is for you. And if you are waiting for this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to channel, welcome. I upload copywriting tutorials every single week, so make sure subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. So let's talk about email marketing. Email marketing is way business communicate with people through emails, build trust, provide value, and increase sales. And these emails sent to those people who already know and interact with brands already. Number one, welcome email. This email sent when someone join newsletter or purchase something or create an account. This email sent immediately after sign up. The purpose of this kind of email is introduce the brand, build first impression, and make the customer feel welcomed. You must see this kind of email most of the time when you create account like Gmail or download something. Number two, trust building emails. These emails are non-sales emails. In it is designed to focus on long-term relationship between subscriber or customers. For example, to educate them, to entertain them, and solve their problems rather than just selling. Purpose of these kind of email is educate your audience, share the value, and build a trust before selling. Number three, abandoned cart email. This email sent when someone add a product to their cart and doesn't complete their purchase, and you all know this. And first email sent within an hour as a reminder, and second email sent after 24 hours for urgency, and third email after 2 to 3 days within an incentive. And purpose of this email is remind the customer or recover lost sale. Number four, sales emails. These emails are very important because it makes money, and they are used to promote and sales product and service. Purpose of this kind of email is increase sales and show offer and benefits. Number five, affiliate email. By the name you can guess this email promote someone else brand, product, and service to list of your subscriber customers, and you earn commission of every sale. And purpose of this email is drive clicks and conversions. Number six, re-engagement email. These emails are sent to those people who are inactive and haven't opened email for a long time. And purpose of this kind of email is bring back inactive users and reconnect with the audience. Number seven and final email, content email. These email provide value like tips, education, and story without directly selling. The purpose of this email is keep audience engaged and build long-term trust. I know most of people get confused between trust building emails and content emails because they both share content. But the key difference between both of them are that trust building emails are strategically designed to build long-term connection and trust, while content emails mainly designed to inform and share updates. So I hope I cleared your confusion. And remember this thing, whenever company hire beginner copywriters, they don't only ask for one emails, and they don't just want someone to write words. They want someone understand customer journey. They want someone understand how to guide customer from awareness to finally purchase. That's why email marketing is highly paid and highly valued, because whole business depends on this. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you, and drop the comment below if you still feel confused about email marketing. In the next episode, I will share writing format for these emails, so make sure to like and subscribe. And if you are a beginner or know some copywriting but you don't have clear direction, you might wondering, should you buy course or not, and should you learn one type of copy, or should you niche down in the beginning, or how do you use file properly, and how do you practice without clients. And I also share 6-month clear roadmap for beginner to be copywriters. If you want, you can download my PDF link in description. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.